I want to talk to you about the best business credit cards for sole proprietorship. And if you are a sole proprietorship, you really want to ask yourself whether you want to get an individual credit card or you want to get a business credit card. Now, getting a business credit card has its benefits, especially if you are trying to build business credit. Okay, there are some industries where being a sole proprietorship can really help you in terms of getting business credit, in terms of building business credit real fast. Okay, so here are the top cards I want you to really think about. First of all, I want you to think about the Inc. Business Preferred. I mean, this is from Chase. This is a fantastic business credit card for sole proprietorships, especially if you are actually if you're trying to build business credit real fast. Okay, and so this business credit card is actually great for flexible rewards, especially if your sole proprietorship likes this kind of rewards or actually engages in transactions that actually give rise to those rewards. So this Inc. Business Preferred credit card earns 3 times Chase Ultimate Rewards points on the first $150,000 spent on travel and in select business categories. Okay, so 3x. So you have 3x. Then after it becomes 1x points, but it's still good anyway. If you think about it, it's still good because it gives you the flexibility, but it also gives you the scalability. So Ultimate Rewards have many flexible redemption options, including travel bookings through Chase Travel and transfers to airline and hotel partners, especially if that's the kind of flexibility you're looking forward to. Okay, you can also pull your points with other cards to unlock additional value, especially in the long run. So this is really good. This is really good. So what are the pros and cons real fast here when it comes to this Inc. Business Preferred? The pros, the card comes with a significant welcome offer. They can quickly boost your balance. So if you're looking for a business credit card for a sole proprietorship, think about that balance boosting feature. Your points also get a 25% bonus when you redeem for bookings with Chase Travel. Okay. On the flip side, bonus categories are capped at $150,000 in combined annual spending, which may actually limit higher spending businesses. And also, the card actually focuses more on travel related benefits than business centric benefits. So, this is something that you need to know about. If you're looking for the best business credit cards for sole proprietorship, I want you to think about the Blue Business Plus credit card from American Express. And this is a fantastic card for sole proprietorships in many industries, okay? And the cool thing about this Blue Business Plus credit card is that you have the flexibility, but also you have the convenience, okay? So this card earns a 2x membership rewards points on eligible business purchases for up to $50,000 in annual spending. And basically after that it becomes 1x points. So you can see that basically the limit here is 100. The limit is 50,000, not 150. So you might say, well, the Inc. Business Preferred is way better, right? Somehow it's way better in some. I would say when it comes to certain transactions, okay. But the cool thing about this card is that the Blue Business Plus credit card from American Express, it has no annual fee. This card has no annual fee, okay? So the card actually remains an ideal, no cost option for business owners who want simplified rewards across the board. So you have flexibility, but you also have efficiency. I think I've said that before. And what's really good is that points combine automatically with no with other membership rewards earning cards and can be used in many flexible ways, including transferring to travel partners. So this is really good. So what are the pros and cons here? If you think about this card this year, on the plus side, the card offers a decent intro APR on purchases to help finance expenses, and you will get a top flat rewards rate on your purchases. On the flip side, if you think about this card, basically the $50,000 cap on purchases may be too low for some business owners, okay? And especially if your volume of transactions actually is kind of high, and the welcome offer is lower than many other cards. So if you're looking for a welcome offer, and this card is not going to give you that. If you're looking for a card for sole proprietorships this year, I want you to think about the Inc. Business Unlimited. Okay, this is actually another Chase credit card, Chase Business credit card for sole proprietorship. What I love about this card is that it gives you unlimited cashback, unlimited cashback. Okay, so what it does is that it offers a flat rate of 1.5% unlimited cashback on all purchases and no annual fee. So no annual fee. I mean, I love the fact that you have no annual fee because it really helps you save more of your cash in your account. Okay, so this is really good. You also get an excellent welcome bonus and comparable intro APR on, let's say, an intro APR offer on purchases. So although the flat rewards rate is lower than other cards, it can actually be worth more than a 2% cashback card when you actually maximize your redemption options by combining points with other premium Chase cards. Now, when it comes to combining, when it comes to pairing this card with other premium Chase cards, don't forget the 524 rule. Okay, so you still need to keep that in mind, especially when it comes to getting the maximum benefits. So, what are the pros and cons when it comes to the Inc. Business Unlimited as a top sole proprietorship business credit card? On the plus side, you can get solid initial value with the welcome bonus and intro APR offer on the card. Okay, and the card offers a straightforward rewards structure, with some business owners may actually prefer. Like if you're looking for something just solid, something just clear, something just straightforward, this card may actually be the best option for you. So that's at least some of the pluses that come with this card. What about the minuses? Well, other cards with bonus categories may offer better overall returns based on your spending. Okay, so you have this flexibility, and you will need other Chase cards to unlock the full potential of this card, especially if your spending is not in certain categories. Another card another business credit card I want you to really think about if you have a sole proprietorship is the Capital One the Spark Cash Plus. And so what I love about this business credit card is that it gives you no preset spending limit. Okay, so this is kind of cool. So this is a top business charge card that doesn't come with a preset spending limit. So when I say charge card, that means what? It means that there is no spending limit, but that means you have to pay the balance every single month. Okay, whatever you charge on the card, you will have to pay the full balance every month. So Capital One does not allow you to revolve any balance, like to roll over balances. No, and you will earn a flat 2% cashback on all purchases, and can earn bonus cashback for meeting high spending benchmarks in the first year. So the first year you have lots of flexibility, and you can get your annual fee refunded if your business spends $150,000 in a year. Okay, making this an ideal option for higher spending businesses. So if your sole proprietorship has a certain volume, like a certain volume of transactions, you are able to actually use the Capital One Spark Cash Plus and earn lots of cash back. So what are the pluses and minuses with this card here? The pluses: there is no APR or set credit limit since this card is a charge card. Okay, so there's no APR, which makes sense. And the welcome bonus is exceptionally high. Think about that. What about the cons? Well, with high spending requirements for the welcome bonus and spending incentives, this card is not a great option for lower spending business owners. So if you happen to be a lower spending business owner, you're not going to find this card pretty interesting. And also, since this is a charge card, you can't carry a balance on this card without paying penalty fees, and you do not want to to carry balances at all. Okay, no. So if you're looking for a wonderful business credit card for sole proprietorships, I want you to think about a secured credit card. I mean, the the earlier credit cards were unsecured, but this one is secured. And the reason why I included it here is because it is a secured credit card, secured business credit card that has rewards. It allows you also to build credit. You can build business credit or you can build individual credit. It really depends on you. Okay. So the no annual fee Bank of America Business Advantage Unlimited Cash Rewards MasterCard Secure Card can help you build your credit while earning unlimited 1.5% cash back on all purchases. Can you imagine that? 1.5% cash back on all purchases. And your credit line will be equal to your deposit amount because it is a secured business credit card. Okay, but the minimum here is 1,000. So minimum 1,000, and so there is no maximum actually. There's no maximum. You decide what your credit limit will be, and as your credit improves, you may automatically qualify for an upgrade to an unsecured credit card, giving you a seamless transition toward better rewards and benefits for your business. So this is really good from a flexibility point of view. Okay. So what are the pros and cons when it comes to this card? The pros, unlike many secured cards, this card doesn't charge an annual fee. So this is really good. And you can earn unlimited rewards, a rare feature on secured credit cards, especially secured business credit cards. On the flip side, there is no welcome bonus or intro APR offer to provide additional value, so you will lose a little bit on that front. And also, your credit limit is tied to the amount of your security deposit, which may make credit utilization difficult, especially if you have like if your sole proprietorship is a new business and you are trying to really build credit, but also trying to build your cash flows. So I just gave you the top five business credit cards for sole proprietorship. Let me quickly give you an overview here. So it's important to understand that if you think about the Inc. Business Preferred Credit Card, there is a $95 annual fee. Okay. If you think about the Blue Business Plus credit card from American Express, there is no annual fee. Same thing for the Inc. Business Unlimited credit card. If you go with the Capital One Spark Cash Plus, you do have a $150 annual fee. So this is important because, you know, if you don't spend that much, that will be a fixed cost. The annual fee will be a fixed cost attached to your business account. Okay. Well, if you want to choose the best business credit cards for a sole proprietor, by the way, for the Bank of America Business Advantage Unlimited Cash Rewards MasterCard, there is no annual fee. So to choose the best business credit cards for your sole proprietorship, you always have to check eligibility requirements because even with the same credit card provider, the rules might change every now and then. So it's important to have access to the updated rules, the updated eligibility requirements. Okay, so check for minimum credit score requirements or business eligibility requirements, such as the need to be operational as a business for a certain amount of time or income requirements. Sometimes they'll ask you to be in business for 3 months, for 6 months, for 1 year. So it all depends on how you set up your business. So that's something to really think about. So that's number one. You want to check eligibility requirements. You also want to compare rewards categories. So it's not about just getting a business credit card for your sole proprietorship. You have to make sure that business credit card fits the sort of rewards that you want, right? So look for a card that offers rewards that make sense for your business spending needs. So if you spend heavily in specific categories, look for cards offering bonuses, for instance. If you spend in many different areas, consider a flat rate card. You also want to evaluate benefits against fees. I mean, I told you a little earlier, like if a business credit card is charging you $150, like the Capital One the Capital One Spark Cash Plus, you want to really spend as much to actually offset that fee. I mean, so if those perks are valuable for your business, you could easily justify the cost of the annual fee if you can get the proper value and use from the card's benefits. Okay. And also, you want to extract as much initial value as possible. So look for welcome bonuses or intro APR offers to give you extra additional value from your card. You could get a substantial rewards boost or get the needed time to finance large expenses to help your business grow. So when it comes to business credit cards for sole proprietorship, you have to understand that the application, like the process, is pretty straightforward. Okay, you just need to fill out the application. You can go to the company, you can go to the bank's website, or you can go through the app because some banks allow you to apply through their app, so you are able to apply through the app, and so you fill out the application. You can either use your social or you can use your EIN if you have one. I actually recommend that you have an EIN. Even if you have a sole proprietorship, you still can qualify for an EIN. Okay, and so you'll need to provide personal information like your full name and your date of birth, and you might have to provide also some information about your sole proprietorship on the business side of things, like your business income, years in business, and other requested details. But also your business address if it's different from your individual address. So that's actually for like after filling out the application. And again, this the application can happen online or on the app. In some cases, you can even they can give some info over the phone, and you can actually apply over the phone. And you want to supply documentation, you may have to supply the card issuer with proof of your business income or the legal structure of your business, which you can really upload online or sending in the mail. And be ready for a possible personal credit check. And you can also have a business credit check if you do have business credit for your sole proprietorship, because some sole proprietorship do have a business credit. Okay, so that's and you get your decision. So this is pretty straightforward. Okay, and one thing I want to say here is that if for any reason you cannot get a business credit card for your sole proprietorship, you can also apply for a business loan. I mean, this is totally possible, or even a business line of credit. Okay, so you have a flexibility. So, in conclusion to this conversation, I spoke to you about the best business credit cards for sole proprietorships. I gave you the top cards and then the overview and now the conclusion. Thank you so much. God bless you. I will see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.